So it looks like Apple is gearing up for another exciting event, and just when we thought the iPhone 16 launch had set the bar high. There's a lot of chatter about new iPads and Macs on the horizon, and it sounds like they're ready to wow us with some impressive upgrades. If you're a fan of Apple tech, October is definitely shaping up to be a thrilling month. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, the lineup for this upcoming event might include some Macs powered by the new M4 chip, which has everyone buzzing with anticipation. A revamped Mac Mini is also rumored to make an appearance, along with the highly anticipated iPad Mini 7. There's a lot of excitement around this new iPad Mini, especially with expectations of a more powerful processor compared to its predecessor. Currently, the iPad Mini 6 runs on the A15 Bionic chip, which is also found in the iPhone 13 series, but it's a bit slower than what you get in the iPhone 13 Pro models. Gurman hinted back in December that the standout feature for the iPad Mini 7 would be its upgraded processor, though he kept the specifics under wraps. Now, there's a growing buzz that it might be equipped with the A16 chip, which has already shown off its impressive capabilities in the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max, as well as the latest iPhone 15 models. Some folks are even speculating whether the Mini could get the M1 chip like the iPad Air, but that seems a bit less likely for now. In a recent tweet, Gurman mentioned that there's a good chance Apple will increase the iPad Mini's RAM from 4 to 8 gigs. This upgrade could significantly enhance performance and support some cool new features when iOS 18.1 is rolled out. Just imagine how much smoother multitasking would be with that extra RAM. When it comes to design, it looks like we'll keep that sleek, modern look that we've all come to love, but Apple might introduce a new display controller to tackle that annoying jelly scrolling issue some users had experienced. You know, that laggy feeling when scrolling through your feed? It's a small thing, but if they can fix that, it would make a big difference for daily use. There's also been a lot of buzz about Apple potentially switching to OLED display technology. If you were hoping to see that in the iPad Mini, though, you might need to temper your expectations a bit. Reports suggest that OLED might not make its way to the Mini until next year at the earliest. Apple is reportedly in talks with LG and Samsung about the active matrix OLED technology, and while some rumors hint that we could see OLED for the iPad Mini and iPad Air starting in 2026, it's still up in the air. Remember the days when the iPad Mini had a 7.9-inch screen? The 6th generation bumped it up to 8.3 inches back in 2021 by getting rid of the home button, and now there's chatter about the new Mini possibly featuring an 8.7-inch OLED display. But again, it looks like we won't see that until at least 2026, so don't hold your breath. There was a recent post on a South Korean forum that mentioned Apple ordering 8.3-inch screens from Samsung capable of handling a max refresh rate of 120 Hz. If that's true, we could finally get the smooth promotion scrolling that we love from the iPad Pro and iPhone 13 Pro models. That would definitely help address the jelly scrolling issue we've all been talking about. While it's a bit of a stretch to think we might see a promotion upgrade, since that feature usually sets the Pro models apart from the standard ones, it's exciting to imagine the possibilities. According to Kuo, the 7th gen iPad Mini could launch in the latter half of 2024, possibly during that October event that everyone's buzzing about. So, what are you most looking forward to with the new iPad Mini 7? Are you excited about a more powerful processor, a slicker display, or maybe some other new features? I'd love to hear your thoughts, and don't forget to keep an eye out for updates as we get closer to the event. October is shaping up to be a wild ride for Apple fans everywhere.